Okay, we live. What is going on? Welcome back to the Shill stream, guys. I know it's been like a little over a week or something like that, but I've been getting some videos out there at the same time, so been holding true to my word, man. But welcome back. Feels good to always get back onto the live stream, the Shill stream. I'm hoping to see a couple folks from the Shill squad pop up, but when you're not on a regular basis, people don't know when you're gonna come back, so that is what it is. But got a little happy news today to share. Also, we're gonna talk about just some basic stuff, what's going on in crypto. A lot of people got some predictions that we're gonna go through another crash with another market crash entirely, another stock market crash. It's gonna drag crypto along with it. Some people think that we might have a V-shaped recovery, man. Hey, Mr. Lodak, what's up, man? Hope all is well. I hope you're doing well out there in the Midwest. Flashless Smoke is in the building. What's goody, Flash? Oh man, feels good to see some brothers in here, man. Some of the fam. So let's go ahead and switch over to the scene. So if you are new to the channel, a new subscriber, or you're not subscribed yet, make sure you go ahead and do that, man. We talk about all types of things that have to do with investments here: crypto, stocks, long-term investments like retirement funds. We talk about real estate, we talk about life insurance, we talk about all types of stuff, and credit. In fact, just recently I did a video showing like my small portfolio. I don't even got a big portfolio at all. Hey, Rob Moore, what's up, man? Thanks for coming back, bro. And yeah, I showed my small portfolio here. And I'm just gonna do a weekly update of how things are going, talk about the stocks I'm buying, talk about anything that I learn along the way, how to look for good stocks, certain things I'm paying attention to, like PE ratios, you know what I mean, and earnings per share, stuff like that you hear in stocks. And hopefully I could really like put a nice blend between the stock people and the crypto people. Hey, Pseudo Greek, what's goody, bro? Hey, I'm glad to see a couple people in here. Tap that like button. Just tap that like button on your way in. But anyway, yeah, that's gonna be the goal, is to cover just me just going through the journey, man. Any little way I can make extra money, the money that I'm investing into the markets between crypto and stocks, how I'm clearing up my credit to get it higher. My credit's been higher, my crypto's been higher before, but I sold to help me when buying this house. Then and then even recently I sold before the like right around the crash, because I just needed more money in my account. But I'm trying to start kind of from scratch, not exactly from zero, but I'm starting kind of fresh and just working my way up, man. And I want to be consistent every single week. So those are things that I'm going to be working on. 401k, I just need to study like what kind of allocations I want to put on there, and also maybe figure out exactly how much I want to. Speaking of hire, I'm out of papers. Actually, that's not so funny. It's not good, man. You're supposed to be sparking up for the Shill stream right now, man. So anyway, let's go ahead and check out coin market cap right now. It's been a pretty green day, man. Pretty green day. Seen some nice gains. To be completely honest, like, let's check out this this Bitcoin chart. I thought about putting a long in, because we've been just trading between this channel, and once we kind of like started going sideways from here to here, I was like, man, I should put a long in, and I didn't do it, man. I didn't do it. But it's like we're trading in this channel, so it doesn't hurt to maybe put a long in. I don't know, this is not financial advice, but we've been trading between this channel. Eventually we're gonna break out though, so you could be the one that gets hit up. But yeah, when it reaches the top, normally if we're bullish like that, like we might just like boom break out. But if it slows down again, I might put a little short in. I put a little short in on one of these, and I don't even margin trade at all. I just bought some bearish tokens, and it was just a little tryout. So I might use like DDEX or DIDEX or something like that, and put a little margin trade in, give it a try. But really right now I'm more focused on building my portfolio than trying to get into like trading, especially because my portfolio is so low, and I'm just trying to like stay consistent on dollar cost averaging, which means just putting in money every single week. Doesn't matter where the price is, you could get a nice average by just putting in 50 bucks a week. It doesn't matter if it goes up, goes down, you just get that nice average, dollar cost average. So that's what I've been trying to do. And I'm kind of doing the same thing with stocks. Right now I'm only holding Bitcoin, ETH, Kyber, and a really low cap coin. And you know what, I'm just leaving it just to leave it. It's not something I really want to invest in. But hey, Pseudo Greek said, I have started leverage trading, making about $100 a day. Really? You're getting like $100 profit a day, bro? That's where it's at, man. Like, that's how it starts. That's how it starts, man. And 100 a day is pretty good, man. You know, next thing you know, making 2, 3, 5 a day. And that's when you really doing well, you know? 100 bucks a day. Congratulations, bro. That is very good. Lone Sigma said, grab an apple. Oh, man. Yeah, trying to do some old school stuff, man. But yeah, you know, so everything's been kind of going sideways. We've been still trading in between that channel. Nothing's really changed. It's been in here since April 20th. So over a month we've been trading inside of this channel, just up and down. Haven't closed out of it. So let's just see what happens next, man. We're waiting for that big move. A lot of people are calling for a stock market crash, a second one, saying we're not gonna have a V-shaped recovery. V-shaped recovery obviously will be just, you know, going back up, just continue to go. But they think that maybe we'll just kind of come crashing down. So V-shape, continue, or do we just death? Just death. I don't know, that X is for. But anyway, that right now things have been looking good, man. I've been buying stocks since somewhere around here, March, late March, probably literally the 20th, I think. And it's been doing good for me. I've been getting small amounts, but it's been working, so I'm happy about that. But now let's look at what's been doing good. If you look, you can see it's super green. Super green here. Cybervein, never heard of it. Maybe, but I don't think so. I don't think I've ever heard of it. Electronium having another good day. I think about a week ago or so it was having a good day. Engine coin. Engine always makes me feel bad because it's something I was always bullish on, but this time around I'm not holding it, and it's just having a great day, mainly because they made a social an announcement on Twitter about their plugin. People are like, I don't know, thinking this is like a Minecraft partnership or something, but it's a plugin. Doesn't mean that it's not good, doesn't mean that it's the best thing in the world. It's a plugin. So to see people start using it is really what's gonna matter. But nonetheless, Engine is a great platform. They have a lot of different resources that they put together for cryptocurrency, between trading within their wallet itself, the Nginx block explorer, where you can look at all the transactions for Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the Ethereum tokens. They got this plugin here. I mean, Engin's really doing their thing, man. So, you know, we've seen a Microsoft partnership with them, you know, trying out Engine token. There's just so many different things. Samsung partnership. Like, the more I talk about it, the more I'm like, dang, yo, why don't I hold Engine right now? Like, but then, you know, we already seen a major price increase. So what was their all-time high? All-time high was just under 50 cents. I wouldn't be surprised if this was one of the tokens that makes it through to their all-time high in not too long, you know? I don't think it will take that long. Yeah, for some reason my thing here is only saying 2. But I got about 11 people in here. That's what's up. Okay. Lone Sigma said, might just get a bag of it. Been seeing it too often. Yeah, I don't knock you, man. Like, I really don't knock you, bro. I just don't like to FOMO in. But it's one of the projects that I've always respected, admired, whatever you want to say. Like, even on my channel, you can see I've been talking about it for a minute. Just type in Engine on my channel. You see all its different times I talked about Engine. 1, 2, 3. This was a year ago, 11 months ago, 3 months ago, which was one of the Shill streams. This was a year ago, so been on it. Hey, Titus Flavius says Theta to the moon. Theta was going crazy the other day too, and the T Fuel especially. Down 9.15%, but it just went crazy though, so don't be fooled by that. Over the past 7 days, it was about 28 cents. Now it's 37 cents. So it definitely had a great week to go from 28 to 37. That's a huge gain. Let's see. It might look better if you look at it like this. Yeah, it looks better this way. When you just see the nice climb up here. But the T Fuel though, down 22%. I hope you didn't FOMO in when it was already pumped, but you could see they went even crazier. Actually, let's look at it on a month. Yeah, look at that. 0.006 all the way up to almost 2 cents. Wow. Rumor, maybe Theta partnership with YouTube. Is that an actual rumor that's out there, or? Wow, wasn't it one of the guys that started YouTube that helped start Theta? Let's check that out right now. Yeah, look, co-founder of YouTube. So Steve Chen, co-founder of YouTube. For real, Lodak? Damn, I didn't even. L Brown said, don't you think it's a good time to sell stocks and wait for the crash? Not really. I don't know if another crash is gonna happen. Like, I know a lot of people are calling for it, but I don't know for sure that another crash is gonna happen. So I'm just dollar cost averaging. The thing is, like, yes, I would like to get a nice trade. I would like to get it for a lower price, but personally me, like, I'm not retiring in the next 3 to 6 months, not retiring in the next year. I'm retiring in years and years to come. So if I started trying to do these trades, it really just, it could either make or break me, or I could just continue to just put money into the market weekly, small amounts every single week. And if it does crash, oof, thank God I didn't put X thousands of dollars in here thinking that it was the right time. If it doesn't crash, oof, thank God I didn't miss out on the low price then, you know, because the market kept going up. So that's the best thing about averaging. But yeah, some people, you know, a lot of people telling me, you know, don't do stocks, just do crypto. There's another crash coming, so they're getting out of the market. There's a lot of different things that people are doing, and I really don't disagree with anybody. I understand. It's just, for me, I'm like, Christian Quincy, you can't call this market unless you useless to try. Oh, you can't call this market useless to try. Hard to bet against the Fed when they are telling you they are willing to do whatever it takes to keep this going. That's the main thing that's keeping me at ease is like, well, first and foremost, I'm really not afraid to lose what I have in terms of what's in my stocks. I have a small portfolio, but also, yes, the Fed, they're like, man, we'll print as much as we need to, pretty much. And also, like, just the sentiment of people, it's like they want to come back out, man. They want to go outside. They want to get back to their normal lives, man. Like, people just want to get back to their normal lives. And that's not gonna fix all the jobs. That's not gonna fix, you know, the airline, the travel market. That's not gonna fix all of that stuff. But I do think it's gonna put some kind of balance out there, you know, some kind of balance. Now, for us to go back to the all-time highs would be ridiculous. You know, if we could just trade sideways for a while, cool. Or maybe we pull back a little bit. But even if we pull back to here, cool. I just hope, oh, excuse me. I just hope we don't go, you know, falling down like too far down. Calisthenics Wade said, I heard Roku is a good stock for long-time investment. If I was into stocks, I would buy the pandemic, helping companies like 3M, Zoom, etc. Yeah, but they definitely went up already. So let's check out Zoom, right? Look at Zoom. Like, I don't feel comfortable buying into this right now. I gotta change this. But I just, so I use Cash App to buy my stocks because it's easy, but it doesn't have all the information I need. So I'll go to like Google Finance. And let's check out Zoom. So here's why I'm not buying Zoom. Because of this thing called PE ratio. It's bananas. Your PE ratio is kind of what shows you if a company is either considered undervalued, overvalued, fair price. And this is not the absolute end all be all, but it's like the primary indicator that people look at. They're like, well, let me look at the PE ratio. It's one of the first things that people look at. Now, according to different research I've came across, I believe it's from the book Intelligent Investor, but I haven't gotten into the book yet, so I won't quote that. But a PE ratio, a good price PE ratio that you might want to get into is like 15. That's like, oh wow, this company's at 15. It's a pretty good buy. If it's like a 20, 25, it's like, I'm kind of pushing it. And if it's a 30 or higher, you got a 40 PE ratio, it's overvalued. Now that's not the law. That's just basically how it goes. So I probably wouldn't really touch Zoom at this point. Now let's check out what was the other one? Roku. Wow, they don't even have their PE ratio here. That's new. So I've been buying like Twitter, for example. I just want to give you guys a comparison. So Twitter's PE ratio is 20.51. Not so bad. So when you see Zoom, I'm good. I'm staying away from it. So let's see. Zach said, "What do I think of CoinGecko as an alternative to CoinMarketCap?" I like it. I was starting to use it, and then it was glitching. I was starting to use it for the Shill stream specifically, but then it was glitching because it wasn't showing each of these columns in order when I would like do like the 7-day, but they fixed it. So at the time it was just kind of annoying, and I just went back to CoinMarketCap because that's what I'm used to. But yeah, CoinGecko is great, man. That's where I get my this thing down here. This thing. It's just giving you the price feed. Comes from CoinGecko. You know, I definitely rocks with them, man. Let's see. If everyone go back to work, I would assume people are gonna start betting against Zoom, right? Possibly. I know at my job we're using Microsoft Teams, and also my wife's job they're using Microsoft Teams. So there's other competition out there, and you know what I seen somebody say? They were like, can't believe Skype let Zoom get up on them. You know, and they had like a 12-year lead, and I'm like, man, they're right. How did Skype like get completely pushed to the side and Zoom came through and just killed it? Pseudo Greek said, don't use Bybit or Femex. I don't even know Femex. There is no anti-liquidation system on both of them. You should try Bit7. You can start with as little as $30. You won't be buying Bitcoin once you start on Bit7. What's Bit7? Let's check out Bit7. Oh, yeah, Microsoft owns Skype, but Skype flopped. That's why I think they're trying to do this Teams thing. Well, Skype didn't flop, but I can't believe Zoom. Like, Zoom is really the one that took over. Yeah, I think Microsoft also has a high PE ratio right now. Yeah, they had a 30. Which is like, oh, snap. Is that true, Zach? Teams is Skype built on top of SharePoint? That's very interesting. I really like Teams because it's like, it puts everything kind of together. So I guess Microsoft trying to like strike back. I mean, I know Teams been around for at least a little while, but I'm seeing more and more people starting to use it though. And my wife, she works for Progressive, you know, which is a big company. So the fact that they're using Teams keeps you on Brave, like Brave browser. Do they have like something different to use here? like a video chat or something. Microsoft should just buy Slack, sit them down too. I've never used Slack. I don't really know exactly how Slack works. I'm not too positive. So let's check out this Bit7 thing. At 100x leverage. I can't believe they even have this stuff. Oh, Brave came out with one today? Oh, snap. Okay, Brave Together, not the book. What? Yo. What? Brave got a new thing, huh? Private and unlimited video calling. Wow, this is cool, man. Would you guys like ever just want to like do like a whole video chat thing one day, like as a group? I was talking to Flash about that, man. Man, Brave is really they're here to stay, man. Okay, so our nightly version for North America now features Brave Together, our private and unlimited video calling service based on open source JITS News project that allows you to easily build and deploy secure video conferencing solutions. Okay, click on the widget and start connecting with friends, colleagues, feedback at community. Wow, man, this is crazy, dude. Am I looking to buy gold or ETFs in the future? What kind of ETFs? Like gold ETFs? Like I buy I'm not really interested in precious metals though. It's not really my thing. Like I'm a crypto guy, and I know there's crypto guys could easily be both. You could be, you know, precious metals and crypto, but I really think that more people are gonna turn towards digital stuff than they are for the metals. And I just rather stick to crypto and stocks. Like the only ETFs I'm really buying is like you know, Vanguard. Like I'm buying Vanguard, S&P. This is SPF. No, VOO, excuse me. Yeah, I'm buying this. I'm also buying VTI, which is like the total stock market index. Which I think they have another one, VT. Yeah. You would recommend 50% leverage? Pseudo Greek, come on, bro. No, please, nobody else listen to that, bro. Come on, Pseudo Greek, you can't be telling people 50% leverage. That's scary, bro. That's not a way to do margin trading, man. 50% leverage, that's just asking to get wrecked. I will watch Jake Jabarelli just to find out about Bit7, but 50% leverage is out. That's insane, bro. You can even join on mobile, but it will kick you to the app Play Store to download Jitsi. Okay, I think that's what it's built on. Calisthenics said, I was looking into dexes after Chico Crypto's video, but they all have such low liquidity and low coin selection. Yeah, that's the thing, is that they do have it's a growing market, you know, it's growing. Yeah, man, look, just as these things get better, you use them, but you don't have to hold back from using like Binance or Bybit or what's the other one, BitMEX or any other platform based on how other people feel about it. You know, if that's what you want to try it out. Like me, I don't use them because you got to use a VPN. And once I start using a VPN, I'm like, you know, I don't feel too comfortable about this, you know. But outside of that, like, you know, do what works for you, man. Just do what works for you. 10x is doable. Yeah, 10x is doable. Still kind of pushing it, man. Let's see. Lone Sigma said, I really want to know why anything above 5x leverage is illegal. If people want to wreck themselves, then have at it. But that's exactly why it's illegal. Like, they don't want people to just go wrecking themselves. But I kind of feel what you're saying, though. But imagine you just gotta have a bunch of people that just get addicted to this stuff and lose money, lose their everything overnight, just putting major leverage and trading. He said, you will be liquidated. You don't need VPN on Bit7. That whole sentence doesn't sound the greatest. You will be liquidated. All right, Pseudo Greek. I'm gonna look them up right now, just because you're asking about it. But oh, and Bybit and BitMEX. Okay, that's what you're trying to say. What was his name? Jake Jabarelli. Or is it Jake Borelli? Probably not. Bit7. Jake Jabarelli, how I trade Bit7. How did you find this? Do you know him? Hey, Crypto and Culture, what's goody, bro? Man, I was just watching your video earlier, right before I jumped on the stream with Hashoshi, man. Yeah, I'll check this guy out. I really want to know how you know this person. There's no thumbnail there, and also you got no thumbnail. I think there's a connection here. There's some kind of connection here. Oh, word? Bit7 ads on YouTube? I didn't even know. Honestly, I got YouTube Red, so I don't even know what kind of ads be running. They got crypto ads is popping again? Crypto and Culture putting that work in, man. Yeah, there you go. Hey, so man, them reaction videos did well for me, man. I got it's alt season. Yeah, man, you see what's going on, bro. You see what's going on, man. Yo, so let me show y'all something, man, while I got everybody in here, man. Your boy low key, man. This is why you don't give up, people. Your boy low key. By the way, so BitBoy subscribed to my channel after I reacted to his videos. And also Chico been subscribed to my channel as well. So it's like I got both of them subscribed, which is kind of funny. But if we go to monetization, Your boy is in progress, man. Your boy is in progress, man. Now, the only thing they're saying, you know, it might take a little bit longer due to the whole pandemic and stuff. But that's it, man. We made it. We made it past that threshold, man. So that's it, bro. That's it. Like this right here. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yo, y'all help me out big time, man. Y'all chill out with me every day that I come through here, man. Y'all just come chill with your boy and help me with the watch time and really build and learn from each other. Like, I can't even explain how much I appreciate y'all, man. But I'm about to take it to the next level now, man. Now I gotta really be calculated. You know, it's still gonna be a learning process, still gonna be trial and error, but I gotta bring that bag in now, man. I gotta figure out how to do it. So I'm gonna definitely be a little more weary of what I do, you know. Pseudo Greek said, I don't know the guy, but I have been watching his videos. You can watch Oracle Crypto on Bit7 as well. All right, I'll check out some of this Bit7 stuff, but I don't really do margin trading like that, so it's not really gonna be very helpful for me. But I'll check it out. Hey, Calisthenics said I should do some podcasts or interviews for my channel. Said I got a good voice for it. Thank you, bro. You know, I would love to do a podcast, man. I was listening to Gary Vaynerchuk, man. Hey, L Brown, thank you, bro. I was just telling my moms, like I got a promotion recently this year, and that was fantastic. Like, I can't thank, you know, the executive team at work enough. But this right here, like, I really did it on my own, and I haven't even made $1 from it yet. But it's just knowing that, yo, if you keep going, it's gonna happen. And right now, it's just like getting to the next stage, man. It's like getting to the next world in Mario. You know, when you're playing Mario, you get through those levels, it's like, man, I never thought I would pass the castle. And then you go into the next world and you're like, oh. But that's just how I feel where I'm at now. I'm on to the next level where just gotta put the work in, and it's gonna be difficult, but I'm gonna get there. I gotta just get to the next level, man. Do I do any Bitcoin futures or options trading? No, I don't do any. I don't. I straight up don't. I'm just buying Bitcoin, to be honest. But Mr. Lodak, yeah, Mr. Lodak, he definitely does. Said he trades, but not futures or options. No, I just do an occasional, like, maybe like a so they got let's see, what's it called, FTX. They got FTX. They got the leverage tokens. You know, this is another one. You need a VPN though, so I'll be feeling kind of uncomfortable. But where is it? Where the heck is? Yeah, so this is the Bitcoin bull, but I think it's only 3x on this one. They have other ones that's crazy too. This is 3x long. You know, I've tried that out a little bit, but other than that, I really don't get too much into that stuff. Like, I just want to build a portfolio. Like, me acting crazy over here with the silly picture, I just want to build a portfolio, my G. And I just want my number to get higher and higher and higher. I might put myself on the other side. Yeah, well, that's okay. But anyway, yeah, I just want to get that number higher, man. I want in 2 weeks for y'all to see 6,000, 7,000, or maybe just something else. Just, oh, 2,000 in stocks or whatever. Like, clickbaitish, bullish stuff about me investing. And just getting rich in front of everybody, man, or with everybody. That sounded crazy. In front of everybody, no, with everybody, but right before your eyes as well. MG Tal said, if you were me, you'd be buying UPRO. So I'm already uncomfortable about just buying stocks in general, but UPRO, I'm not doing any leverage on buying stocks right now. Like, I'm already kind of worried about where stocks are going, and I'm still dollar cost averaging, but to be buying 3x leverage stocks, the S&P 500 3x leverage. Calisthenics said, I hate to say it low key, but drama sells on YouTube, call outs, disses, etc. get more views than well-researched informative videos sometimes. That's a fact. But you could be more consistent on the videos, the informative videos, than you can on drama. Like, in order to, like, especially in crypto, like, in order to really cover the drama, like, you might have to encourage the drama. Like, there's really not that much of it going on. So I just, I did it because it was there, and I played like a nice neutral position in it. And BitBoy, he emailed me. BitBoy emailed me because as soon as I reacted, I commented, I reacted to this. And I guess he watched it. He emailed me the next day, invited me to a crypto influencer group, and he gave me some advice too. He gave me some advice, but I told him, like I said, I'm gonna keep it 100. So when Chico did his reaction, his response, I reacted the same way. I made jokes about BitBoy in the videos and everything, but I think that's the only difference in those two guys. And I don't know Chico, but it seemed like BitBoy was really genuine to me. Even though I made jokes and stuff, he reached out. He was like, yo, I love the reaction videos. Tried to tell me a little extra behind the scenes story of some stuff that happened, but I won't talk about that because that was in the email. And that's that. But he gave me some good advice, man. So if you guys see me putting up big bullish, crazy 10x thumbnails and stuff like that, like, don't get mad at me, man. It's just what it takes sometimes, man. Like, I was thinking about making this my next thumbnail. 3 100x altcoins, and then paying somebody on Fiverr like $5 to like read it. Nah, I'm joking. But I've been literally, yo guys, this thing is a grind, man. I literally sat down and just did variations of thumbnails, and I'm like, trying to figure out thumbnails that work and all these different things, man. And I would like make sure I leave it and look back in a couple days and say, like, would I click on this? I probably wouldn't click on this, but I'm ready to start, just unfortunately maybe not doing the drama stuff, but doing the clickbait stuff, man. I'm pretty much ready to start doing the clickbait stuff. It just is what it is, man. Kevin App, hi bro. Hey, crypto and culture though, man. I see you out there, bro. You getting them good long interviews, getting some good watch time, I'm sure, man. Keep that thing pushing, bro. Keep it pushing, bro. Like, we done had these conversations in person. Like, gotta keep it, just keep it going, man. We gotta make it up there. We got to. They need us. How to avoid scams? Yes, I think I could definitely do that. The noob tutorials will get you views and clicks to your channel. Tell you the honest truth, so what I've noticed about the noob stuff is that those videos are created already. There's already a lot of videos for noobs out there, you know, the what is Bitcoin, the what is Ethereum, the how to buy it, the where to trade it and stuff like that, like how to protect it, keep it safe. Like those videos already exist for huge channels, well, you know, big channels that have tens of thousands of subscribers and stuff like that. Really, what people are looking for is how they can make money and how they can make it fast. That's the truth. Like they want to know how they can make money, how they can make it fast. And the, you know, and experienced ones, they come and watch, you know, Chico's videos and stuff to get good information. You know, they might watch some Crypto Zombie to just kind of get their market updates, Altcoin Daily for some basic news, Crypto Daily for like some laughs. But people want to know what's about to pop. They want to know, oh, Engine Coin is ready to explode. Why Ethereum is set to explode with Ethereum 2.0. I think I was gonna do a video like that actually. Obviously XRP people, man. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I thought about doing bullish XRP vids. Yo, it's the only reason I'm not doing it is because I'm really not bullish on it. But like, I'm starting to really understand it's not about me. It's about what the people want to see. And I'm figuring it out, man. It's a confusing journey to be on, but Crypto Culture said them long-term videos get all the watch time. Now I could imagine, bro. Got them long ass interviews, man. Yo, everybody's not with the XRP flow, huh? All right, maybe not XRP, guys. All right, damn, bro. I thought about it, man. I thought about doing the XRP, man. Like, I was just gonna have the Y589 could still happen in 2020. That was gonna be my video. Yo, everybody's not with XRP. Damn, I can't do my. Wait. 589 was set for 2021 this whole time. That's like with the thumbnail or something along those lines. Hey, Crypto Quarter Crawler, what up, man? All right, so we won't do XRP. Mr. Lodex at HexRP, man. Wonder what's going on with Hex. Hex waved up. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. It's about these games. I'm joking, kind of, because I'm not gonna be throwing money at every little thing, man. I'm not. But if you did get into this Hex trade, good for y'all. Africa? What you mean Africa? But anyway, yeah, that's what people like to see, man. They like to hear about the bullish altcoins. That's what I said about BitBoy. I was like, yo, no, maybe not this stuff. Now he's starting to get, he got a lot of subscribers now. But I had mentioned whatchamacallit, I had mentioned in my reaction that he does those clickbaitish, you know what I mean? 5 coins to 5 million. 100x still possible. Bro, I might recreate this exact video, the same thumbnail with a green arrow. The only difference is a green arrow. I might do that. Because honestly, like, I'm just trying, and I'm probably exaggerating, but I'm trying to get over the feeling of getting it, maybe not the own feeling, get over the feeling. I'm trying to stop getting in my own way. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to stop getting in my own way. BitBoy leaked Tika Tawari's 5 coins to 5 million. Salute to him for that. See, I didn't even know. I don't think I watched that video yet. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. Dang. See? But I need to stop getting in my own way, man. And copying videos, copying what works, that's what I gotta do, man. That's what I gotta do. Did you see in his reaction in his video that I reacted to, he said that he's making $11,000 for the month? $11,000? Bro, I need to get some of that bag, bro. I don't know about y'all, man, but I need some of that bag. Which means Chico is making some fetty, bro. You know that guy getting like 20 racks, bro. 15,000, 20,000. Hey, Gerald Ortiz, what's up? I don't know. Whatever happened to Supo, man? Oh, look at that. He been streaming 5 days ago. Slam Dunk Coin is soaring. Wow, do we expect anything else from Supo, man? Slam Dunk Coin is soaring. No. Yo, nah, bro. Oh my God, bro. Yo, Slam Dunk Coin. Nah, this guy. Oh, I'm trying to hold in the laugh, bro. Oh man. Yo, who knows, man? It might pop, bro, but it's just the irony, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? The irony of it, bro. It's like Slam Dunk Coin. Oh boy. Yo. So yeah, I guess he's still out there, man. I guess he's still out there. He's getting some decent views too. What I thought about doing was just like maybe like a weekly reaction video, but like the drama stuff is really what people like. So I don't know if I could watch like anything else that people would be excited about on a weekly basis. Yeah, Zach, man, for real. That's probably, it doesn't, maybe not just Supo, man, but like, I'm pretty sure there might be somebody called Crypto Troll. Let's check that out. But like, something like a Crypto Troll, man. Oh, Apex Legends got something called Crypto in there, right? Yeah, yeah. But I don't know, man. Maybe something that's really like really doing some satire comedy against, you know, the crypto people out there. That's probably what's needed, man. Go get that bag, man. It's kind of the way I see it, is just get to the bag. So one thing I'm definitely doing, I will be doing the weekly update for sure. The stream, I'm gonna figure out a good schedule for the stream. I'm gonna do this weekly update, and then 1 or 2 more things that I could be consistent with. So I would like to do 3 to 4 videos a week, like hands down. Maybe 1 educational video, 1 stream, 1 weekly update. That could work. Wow, actually that could work. Crypto internal affairs. He said scratch that. He don't like that. I don't know if I want CIA in a title like that. He said scratch that. Oh, the Martini guy, definitely, man. The Martini guy, he cracks on a lot of people, matter of fact. Let's see. The Martini guy.
Hello and welcome to my...
Did you miss token sets? Nah, I sold token sets, everyone. I wasn't doing anything, man. I'm like, man, I'm trying to organize my portfolio, man. So in my video, my entire investment portfolio here, if you haven't watched it, go watch how small my portfolio is. It's really nothing, but I'm trying to organize everything. So I started sending stuff to my ledger also, and I'm gonna be public with everything. I'm gonna show y'all all my stocks every week, and then I'm just gonna pull up Ledger Live, and I'm gonna show y'all Ledger Live, show y'all what's on there. You're gonna see the percentages, you're gonna see what coins are on there, and I'm even going to post the addresses of my holdings, because it's not that big of a deal. Knowing my crypto address does not give you access to my funds. It just lets you see what's in there, which I'm going to be showing already. Only thing I'm not showing to people is my checkings, my savings, and my my stock plan with the job. And because that's technically private information, and I won't be telling people how much money I make, because I don't want that to affect anybody's views at work. I don't want them to either think I make too much or too little. You know, if they think you make too much, you know, they start being disgruntled towards you. They think you make too little, they might not want to aspire to move up in the company. So I definitely don't want to share that type of information. But the investments, like, bro, this ain't the 90s anymore. This ain't the early 2000s. This ain't the 90s, the 80s. Like, people talk about money, man. Crypto Quarter Crawler said he bought 2 shares of Disney. I got a little bit of Disney. I don't even know if it's a whole share, but I'm rocking with Disney. Let's check Disney out real quick before we get out of here. They got a high PE ratio, but that doesn't mean everything. They also do pay out a dividend. It's not that high, 1.45% dividend yield. That's cool, you know. But as things pick back up, you know, Disney might be lit. Flash of Smoke said you caught some Disney for the long term. Nice. Francesco Barbati, I hope I said your name right. What do I think about Illumina? Is that a coin or a stock? Birthday money, see what happens. Oh, you know what's funny too? Tomorrow actually is my birthday. Never celebrated my birthday ever before, but it was nice to see me get monetization the day before my birthday. And I dollar cost average on Thursdays, so tomorrow's also Thursday. So I might treat myself by not doing my dollar cost average and going a little extra. Throwing a little extra in, you know what I mean? Francesco, I'm not like a much of an analyst when it comes to stocks, but I'm really more of a crypto guy, to be honest. But it has a high PE ratio. What do they do? Let's see. Powering the heroes, frontline sequencing solution. Are they supposedly going to have like the vaccine? I think stocks like this are gonna do pretty well, to be honest. Oof. Wow. They went crazy. Wow, look at this. This gap. You don't think so? They are more into DNA and genes. I'd have to do a little more. So I like to, personally, I like fundamental analysis, especially for stocks. Meaning I would have to look more into what they do. You know, I don't look at charts and just automatically tell you like, oh, V-shaped recovery, this, you know, they are in overbought territory on the RSI though. I can see that. So, you know, overbought territory on the RSI. And then they also do have a high PE ratio. Probably a good stock to hold, but probably not a good stock to buy right now. Not financial advice. A lot of people waiting for the dip. Hey, thanks, Mr. Lodak, man. Like the Tesla of genomics. Okay. VTIQ seems like a gamble. You want them to do well. Hey, I'm about to get out of here too in a moment. Oh goodness, yeah, that looks like a gamble for sure. Nice. Mr. Lodak is able to buy fractional shares on Robinhood. Yeah, they haven't rolled it out to everybody yet. It's little by little, man. That's why I use Cash App. Nice and simple. But you know, they don't have all the goods. Hey, crypto and culture, man, just Google it. Just Google literally thumbnail download, and you'll see a couple sites that you could just go to, paste the URL in there, it'll generate it, and then you just right click and save the image. There's another way to do it, but like, it's complicated. Hey man, oh yeah, now we'll figure out the big video stream, man. All right, we could do a stream tomorrow, man. We'll definitely stream tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna get up out of here though. Thank you everybody for coming through, man. I appreciate y'all. And I'm gonna get up out of here. See y'all in the next vid. Peace.